Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error. Could not place the document because marker is missing in Adobe Photoshop. So when we try to add image in Adobe Photoshop, then see this error. Now okay, again we are going to add it. Now drag and drop. Again you see error. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So easiest way is to fix this issue. So we are going to resave image again. Now back to image, right click on it, open in edit, and then you see edit. So we are going to open image again. Image is open again. Now you see file, and we are going to resave it again. Save as. Now you see save as type JPEG and then click on save. Now image save done. So we are going to upload it again. Now you see image again in JPG format. Now drag and drop again. Now you see image upload or add in Adobe Photoshop. So you can resave your image and then upload or add in Adobe Photoshop again and your issue will be fixed. So just open image and then resave it. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.